Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Vimala Reddy. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Today I am going to do this Foxy eye makeup tutorial. This eye makeup makes droopy and hooded eyes appear lifted without surgery. Usually this look is popular amongst celebrities, especially Bella Hadid and Mahanati Savitri Garu. For this to achieve, best way is to tie the hair up as tight as possible. You can see the difference. When hair is tied up, eye looks lifted. Here is the close-up of before tying the hair up and after tying the hair up. For this, eyebrows needs to be more straight. The guideline is to be followed as angle from nose corner to the eyebrow corner. With BeYu Cosmetics eyebrow wax, I am setting my brows, setting it upwards and outwards. This way, eyebrows appear more fuller and straighter. Then, with BeYu Trio Eyebrow Palette, filling the sparse areas and giving it more straighter look. First, I am using this dark shade and drawing the borders first, then filling it in. From the eyebrow arch, I am drawing more straighter and leaving that rest of the hair down left out like that. Then using this lighter shade and filling the inner part of the brow. This makes the eyebrow look more natural. Then with PSC Cosmetics Spotlight Concealer and PSC 205 brush, I am cleaning up underneath the brows. With the same concealer, I am using it on the lid as a primer and blending it in. Then using Makeup Studio setting powder to set the lids so that the concealer doesn't crease. I'm using cello tape as a guideline and this makes the blending more precise. Leave small gap underneath the lower lash line. I'm using Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette for eyeshadow with Pro Art PE23 brush, blending shade Sandalwood on the very outer corner of the lid. Very outer corner of the eye and blending it outwards. If you want more elongated eye, blend it more lengthy. Bringing the same color till the middle of the eyelid makes it more natural. Next, with PSC 295 brush, blending the shade Henna inside the previous color, that is Sandalwood shade. Doing so makes the eyeshadow more ombre and it increases the depth also. Then with PAC 165 brush, blending shade Cocoa inside the shade Henna. Using deeper shades and darker shades increases the depth of the eyeshadow. With L'Oreal Paris Kajal pencil, I am drawing the outer corner of the lower lash and upper lash line. Only the outer corners, not completely. This will increase the depth more and more. And with BeYu Paris 103 brush, smoking out the shade Black Truffle in the outer corner of the eye to make it more blended. From Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsession palette, I am picking this cream color with PAC 087 brush to blend on the lid. With PAC 201 brush, blending shade Moon Dust in the inner corner of the eye to make it more elongated. With PAC 371 brush and Inglot AMC 77 gel eyeliner, I am extending the inner corner of the eye. This makes eye more lindy and upturned. Now see how long and upwards the eye looks. Remove the tape. As my eyes are watering the shadow blade outside, I'm cleaning it with the wet wipe. For mascara, I'm using Katy Perry CoverGirl mascara. First I'm applying it to the lower lashes and then to the upper lashes. Only the outer half of the upper lashes I am applying mascara. This makes the eye look more elongated. For lashes, I am using only one lash and I am cutting it into half and placing it only on the outermost corner of the eye, and left some gap between my original lashes and the fake lash, and filling in the gap with a darker eyeshadow, that is black. This gives more elongated and lifted look to the eye. This is the completed look. Here are few more pics, before and after pics. Hope you like the look. Please like, share and comment my video. Thank you for watching.